today's home improvement project, we're going to install smoke alarm. So a smoke alarm can save lives, especially in case of fire. And the first thing we have to do is to remove the existing old smoke alarm. Here it is. The old alarm, and we're going to replace it with the battery operated smoke alarm. So the first thing we have to do to install it is we're going to install the plate and then twist, then lock it. After putting the plate, we're going to align this 4 tabs here. You can see that 4 tabs. Can you see those like 4 dots here? So just align it. I'm done installing the smoke alarm itself. Let's test if it's working. Yeah, so that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed our video for this tutorial. If you're new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button beside it so that if we have new uploads, you'll be kept updated. Just make a comment below, and if you like it, please share. That's it for today. See you on our next video. Bye!